loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Crystal Marie again, and I just wanted to come on and show you the This Is Us collection from Michaels, the few pieces that I got. They're all stickers. I didn't buy any of the washi or anything else this time, but if you love like planner supplies and stickers and stationery, then definitely give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe if you haven't already. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing that I got was this sticker book. These are like the smaller sticker books, and this one is by Jamison Reed. You can find her at jody.tenzer on Instagram. But I love these. When I saw the front cover and I looked at the back, I thought these were going to be really nice. Nevertheless, she persisted. Be your own kind of beautiful, and I love like all of the diversity. I can see myself in this, so this is great. In diversity there's beauty and there's strength, you know, and I really think beauty has no race. I think these are very timely messages for what's going on right now. We were born to be real, not to be perfect. And then I love these little accent boxes here that you can use in your planner. Again, pink, gold. You guys know, if you've been to my channel before, that those are my like favorite combinations. Pink, gold, like glitter, silver, glitter. I do prefer gold or rose gold, but if it's like silver glitter or something like that, I'm into it too. So these are right up my alley. You've got the days of the week here in pink, and then gold foil, and then the heart, pink heart with the gold foil background. And then you've got another set of the days of the week in like a lighter pink here, so that's really pretty. And then you've got the days, the numbers here. And then these are really pretty. Oh, I love that one. I love that one. That's so pretty. Believe in yourself. And I believe Jody is an illustrator. I believe so. Don't quote me. Love, payday, groceries, hair appointment. These are so cute. Very cute and very, very my style. Like, I like to get things from the collection to support the collections, but I like to get things that I'm going to use and that are going to be my style. And I really feel like the pieces that I got are really my style. So I'm going to be excited to use them in a spread soon. Rescheduled. Oh, is this for your water too? Yeah. Yep. Looks like this is to track if you're drinking all of your water. Important reminders here. You've got your page flags. Those are pretty, and then the little heart page flags. This is very cute, very inclusive. I love that. Love that too. Look. Yeah, this reminds me of the Capital Chic Designs collection too, because there was a lot of diversity in that one too, and I know that there was stickers that had women in wheelchairs, so that's great. Oh, I love this. Yeah, I want to take my time and kind of go through all of the pages with you. Sometimes I do these and there's so much that I kind of speed through them, but today you guys get to see fully so that you can decide if you want to go to Michaels or online. I actually went out to Michaels because I haven't been getting out much because of the quarantine and all of that, but I really was going crazy, so I actually just went into the store really quickly and got these, a couple ink pads and some washi storage so that I could organize my washi this weekend and or this past weekend once you guys see it. So yeah, it was just a really quick in and out kind of thing. Like, I don't linger like I would normally. It's in and out, and I just needed to get out, so I'm really happy. So you got your to-dos, to clean, important, and then you've got more stickers over here. I love these backgrounds, and then I love the gold background, shimmer background in the back. These are really pretty girls here. Very pretty. Oh, I love this. I think that's definitely my style. Oh, these are super pretty. I hope the camera's doing them justice, but it's like they've got the word in a sans serif font in the background in pink, and then the serif font right there in gold. That's so pretty. Or the script, actually, this is script font. And that's so pretty. And then you've got the months here. Nice. Definitely be using those. And then you've got your boxes here, your accent boxes for your planner, and you can write little notes inside them. So those are so pretty. I think that's the last page in this one. So that was this. And again, that's by Jamieson Reed. And then I have another one. This one is like the Darling Just Own It. And this one is by Indian Ivy Inc. And you can find her at Indian Ivy _Inc. on Instagram. And I knew this, I had saw somebody else's video, so I knew that this was going to be one that I wanted to go inside and get. And these are a little bit more like grayer and black and white tones, but they do have the gold foil, so you guys know I love that. Love these, and this is so pretty right here. This little bow. And then we've got the months in gold foil. We've got some pink here, so you know I love that. This is just super pretty, super nice. Face your fear, know your worth, and add tax. I love that saying. Classy and sassy, don't look back. Darling, just own it. I love how people are putting more like positive phrases in stickers lately. I feel like it's a big trend because, you know, with everything that's going on, you got to keep yourself positive. Dress like you're already famous. Hey girl, hey. I love these two. So pretty. This is one that is like a little bit more muted and subtle, but I like this. I love the diversity, the Afro puffs, you know, the different hair types. I love that. And these are the days of the week, your to-do, and then little stars here. You could probably track like your water or something like that if you wanted to. To buy. I've been trying, actually, I've been doing pretty well, like cutting back on what I've been buying and doing a lot of saving. Although I do feel like I'm still buying stuff, but it's just different. It's just not as much. Maybe because I don't linger in the stores, like I don't go to the stores, and I prefer to be in the stores when I'm buying things. So I have ordered stuff online. I've talked to you guys about that, but it's still, I'm just spending less, I guess, no gas, you know, all of that. So that's great. The days of the week here, and they've got this subtle pink, like black splash here. That's really pretty. Oh, these are cute little icon stickers. I'm trying to work on my weight, so that's cute. Saving money, grocery shopping, treat yourself. That's so pretty. Stop procrastinating. Yes. And there's 3 of those. Yes. For some of us procrastinators and perfectionists. Face your fear. I love that. She has fire in her soul and grace in her heart. Then you've got the number stickers. Turn your hobby into a career. Yes. If you want to. I mean, some people, they just want a hobby, and that's great. And then you've got these stickers. Now these have like, I don't know if you can see it here, but these have like a gray marble background. And these are pretty, very subtle. And then this isn't foil, but it's like a goldish tone, but it's not foiled. And then we have this here. Lovely. And I hope you guys can see this crown. This crown is gorgeous. Let's see if I can get that close up for you. That crown is everything. It's beautiful. I think these are all well done. I've been very impressed with the Michaels collaboration, starting with Capital Chic, and then this one, This Is Us. So far, I'm amazed by the quality, and I hope they keep doing more. So that's the end of that one. And then I've got some of the larger sticker books here. This one is also by Jamieson Reed. Or Jamieson Reed Designs, is it? Yeah, Jamieson Reed Designs. And I love this. Has a lot of pink in it, and you guys know that's my favorite color. Oops. And the gold foil. So very nice. And I love the style of the girls too. That one I told you guys, I love that. This one too. The bags under my eyes are designer. That's what that shirt says. I love these. Hold on. Okay, yeah. So there's no stickers up here. There's a lot of, okay, I see. So you can see them. Okay. Makes sense, I guess. I just feel like that's a lot of wasted space. But I love, love, love these. Hello. I'm a tea drinker, not a coffee drinker. So every time I see these remind me of tea, and I love these. I love this little crown. That's so pretty. And then we've got weekends. How are you guys spending your weekends? Are you guys going out and doing stuff? Because I'm being pretty strict until I just can't take it anymore. And like I said, I'll go into Michael's or, you know, one store. It's usually Target. It's usually I'm going grocery shopping, and so I'll just look around maybe to see what they have, and then I come back. But, you know, I'm going a little crazy, I think. These are very, very, very pretty. I love this. I love the background. Nothing bad to say about them. I love this. The jewels in the crown and the pink background. That's superb. Love this. A little sparkle. Beautiful. And that's the last one in that one. So that's again by Jamison Reed. And here's another one. Who's this by? Again, Jamison Reed. I think I like her style. I follow her on Instagram and have for a while. And I'm attracted to that style, so I picked up a lot of her books. This is so cute. I love that chair. I love all of this. Yes. And then you have the same stickers in a different girl. Love this. This is so pretty. And this like reminds me kind of like of fall colors. I love that. Tracking your water. This is very fall. I love all of these colors. So I can see using this in the fall. Payday. Take the garbage out. Exercise with the shoes. This makes you want to exercise. These shoes are really cute. Nice. I love all of these. I'm getting fall vibes for sure. And you guys, I can't wait for fall, to be honest. I love fall. I love holidays. But at the same time, I'm thinking, how different is it going to be this year because of the quarantine and all of the things that have been going on? Like, I wonder, you know, what we're going to be able to do. Like, I like just being out and seeing everybody shopping, even if I'm not really looking for anything. So that's going to be interesting, I think, this year. This one is by Indian Ivy Ink. And I like her style too, so I picked up a couple things from her. So pretty. Important reminder, again, stop procrastinating. I like that. I like that reminder. Don't look back. These bows are super pretty. Face your fear. And then some of the same stickers that we saw in the smaller sticker book are in here, and I love that. The bows, I'm glad there's like more bows in here. I really love this bow style. Page flags here, laundry day, manicure pedicure. So again, I'm doing kiss nails and I do my own toes. I haven't been painting them. I've been letting them kind of breathe, but I've been taking care of them, so I'm good on that. But that's a good reminder to change my press-ons. Payday, important reminder, weekend vibe, dress like you're already famous, which we saw that one in the other one. So that's the end of that one. And then the last book I picked up, this, I thought these were cute girls too. And this one is by Sugary Gal Shop, Diana Velasquez. And so let's see, I saw these girls, and these are like a little bit more colorful, but they've got a lot of pinks in them, and you guys know I love that, and I just thought they were cute. So I wanted to pick up something a little bit different. So many stickers. That's right. I need to start using all my stickers and not keep buying stickers until I've used some of them. These are just cutesy. You know, they have a different vibe than the other two. These are a little bit more like playful and fun. So be inspired. Girls just want to have fun. But yeah, this is like, you can jazz up your planner with a little bit more color here. And I don't want to say like young, because I feel like this is still, it's still mature, but it's just, you know, like brighter colors than say the other ones that we just saw. To-do list, meal prep. Oh, I need to work on that. Grocery shopping, laundry day. These are so cute. Relax and unwind. I am team bath all day. I love that. And then glamorous. I love this. I love that one. And then that's it. So yeah, I just got a couple things. There was more. There was like washi and like all kind of stuff, but I just reorganized my washi and I think I'm good. Like I have a little bit more space to where I could buy some more if I wanted to, but I'm trying to, like I said, use the things that I already have, except for I did go get these, but you guys know. So I hope you guys like this video. Tell me if you bought anything from the This Is Us collection. Leave me a comment down below. Definitely thumbs up, and I hope to see you soon back on my channel. Love you guys. Bye.